Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's currently 9:30. As you can see, we're just starting the session, and in this video we're going to take a look at the start of New York session and trying to trade this. So it's 9:30 right now. We're waiting for a breakdown there. We test on fair value gap, and we can try to take a quick trade like that. If not, we want price to reach to this line right here, or even better to this fair value gap. So those are our possible entry points. And yeah, that's just where we want to enter. I mean, basically that's it. Let's see what the market can give us, and we're trying to do this. So the video will be a bit longer than usual because we are actually trading a session. So I guess the video, if I don't take any trades, I'll still be looking at the market till about um 10 with the video on. Then of course I'm going to keep looking at the market. Anyways, you're looking to short USD GPI. So yeah, trading the 9:30 open. And that's what we're doing right now. Trading the 9:30 open. That is what we are doing. Let's put it on a different color so you can see. Okay. Let's see. We are on the 1 minute time frame. We already highlighted our levels on the 15-minute time frame. As we can see, we had a short-term high reaching into fair value gap, broke the high. Now we're looking to get all the way down and take a short. Let's see if we are able to do that. If you're not, it's fine. Let's see the daily chart. I need to see it for a second. Daily chart doesn't look that bad, not even that good, but I still expect prices to be bearish in general. Here on USD GPI, maybe today they will be bullish. Anyways, you're looking for bearishness in the market. That's what we're looking for. So I wanted to do this video as a live, like on YouTube they feature live, but I still need to set up some things, like the camera and all of that. So I'm not able to do a live yet, so this will just be a video for you to analyze and see how I actually trade live. So we're using a demo account, but I actually trade in real time, so you can do that too. So let's see what the market is doing. So I like when the market at 9:30 starts to go against my bias because it fakes out all of the new traders, all of the dump money. So if now it starts by going up, that's ideal. Like that's perfect. As you can see, we had a big bullish candle. Now we are going down currently. Let's see what happens. So, anyways, let me know how your trading days are going because mine are going pretty fine, and I would like to hear from you guys. Like, write in the comments if you're trading, how it is going. If you aren't, what you're learning, what are your goals and stuff like that. As you can see now, market broke. Good. We have a current fair value gap right here. Let's see if it holds or not. Alright, let's see. So the ideal thing is that this candle that broke the low needs to close down the low, not into that. If it closes into that, it doesn't give me as much confidence as if it closes out, but we're still trading it even if it closes in, because still it broke. My strategy still tells me I have some advantages. So as you can see, fair value gap, initial fair value gap is not held. Okay, no fair value gap created. Now it's tracing value. Let's see. So yeah, we don't really have fair value gaps. We have just kind of this one, but it had already been taken. So no fair value gap currently. Let's see how the market goes. Because we have no fair value gap to show that. Yeah. So if it comes down all the way here again, we're still going to short, but and those are not showing you, but right here, as you can see today, we have zero news to trade. So yeah, really zero news is going to be technically should be a chill day. I don't know if that's going to be the truth. Let's see what the market gives us. So it looks like it's going to break again. I need it to come back here. Yeah, so I'll put my limit order. Yeah, so selling 2 million right here. Yeah, and overall our stop loss needs to be kind of above this one. Yeah, exactly. And the take profit, it depends on now what the market is going to do. Anyways, from what I'm seeing, I think my take profit will be, let me check. Need to clone this, change the color. Let's see. So it looks like we're already taking our first trade, and it's pretty early. I don't know how that's going to be. I'm not really confident in this setup because it's not the ideal setup I wanted to see. But that's what has happened for now. We'll see. Okay, let's see if we can get filled. Anyways, our take profit should be below, like a bit higher than this. So yeah, like about even a bit higher than that. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's see if we get filled. I think we're getting filled right now. Oh no, bro, it didn't take me in. It didn't take me in. Maybe showed it right here. It didn't take me in on time. Like it didn't fill the order. I don't know why. That's a problem with the trading account, I think. Yeah, pretty bad. It didn't take the order. Anyways, we are into the trade right now. Let's see. So guys, first trade, we are taking it. Shorting here. But you see, it didn't take me in at the level I wanted to be in the market, but it's fine. It's a 3.52 order ratio, so not too bad. Let's see how this trade plays out. Yep. Let's see. So I suggest you to put this video at super speed at least, if you want to see it all. Let's see what the market does. So either it reaches our stop loss, and that's likely actually. And if it does, it doesn't mean we're not going to trade anymore for the day. I will keep on trading because there are still levels to be taken out. So yeah, I just drank a bit of tea. Now it's playing out against me for a bit. It reached again the value gap. Now it looks like reacting, but we'll see. That's the open price. Now it's going higher. Let's see what happens. Okay, so touchdown for value gap. Let's see what the market wants to do now. I'm gonna leave this here. Okay. It looks like having a bit of a reaction, but we'll see. Okay. We are now profit for now. Retracement. Alright. So for you guys that have skipped the first part of the video, I'll update you. So we are trading USD GPI, trading the 9:30 open New York time. There are new news for today. I showed that the market reached this purple square, which is a 15 minutes for value gap. So it's with a short-term high, short-term low, broke the high, broke the low. Not fully broke the low. That's why I don't have that much confidence in the trade. Anyways, it created like there was this old fair value gap right here in the 1 minute, so we shorted at the touch of this, and now we're expecting the price to go lower. but I don't have that much confidence in the setup actually, because as you can see it didn't close out of that, so it's really likely that I'm going to get stopped out. Let's see. I honestly think this will be a stop loss also because we haven't taken the high of the session yet. Let's see. But yeah, I guess the market's going to stop me out right now. If it is, it's perfectly fine. As I said, I keep trading also for the rest of the day, so I have kind of nothing to do. I've already finished my homework for the day, so and I'll need just to work out arms tonight, and then eat something in about half an hour. Let's see if the market can give us any reaction or not. I don't think so personally. Also because there are no news. Anyways, it's already 11 minutes into the video, so it's being a bit long, I'm sorry. Right, stopping out right now. I think, yeah, stopping ourselves out. Okay, fine. As you can see, we just got stopped out, lost 1,200, so first trade, stop loss. Perfect. Next, let's look for another trade. So, we just took out this high right here. Let's see what we can find as setups. So, alright, this value gap didn't get respected. Okay, as you can see, we're reaching out into the second fair value gap of the day, which is the second level I'm looking to short at. So yeah, that's just where I'm trying to find the shorts, because I think we can absolutely get down. We are in a uptrend from a lot of time. Let's see. Just reached it. Let's see what can happen if we can make the money we just lost, if we can make it back. So first trade lasted 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes of trade. We lost money. Let's see the next one, how it goes. Want to see how the trade looked? No, yeah, it looked correct. It looked good also on a 5 minute time frame. Maybe because, yeah, it was before, into the actual open, and it didn't close out well. So yeah, I still like the setup. I think if we can break lower right here, would be pretty much confirmed short, but let's see what the market is able to give us. Okay. Now it's lightly retracing. As you can see, trading is a boring practice in the sense that you just need to look at this candlesticks forming, having different colors, and just figure out what to do. That's kind of what trading is. It's currently 9:43 New York time. Okay. Let's see. I think we'll still get a bit deeper into the Faval gap. I think, yeah, we will absolutely break this high right here, I think. No doubt on that. Anyway, it could have been a good trade, but as we saw, the main thing was this. So I'll highlight this on the chart just for me to remember that this didn't actually close out well, because it didn't close out the thing. So yeah, let's remember that. Okay, market reached up again. Let's see if we can take any trade. Okay, let's see. Having a bit choppy price action, as you see, candles are being really tight. Nothing too interesting happening. I don't need any indicator. I don't use indicators because really they're useless. You know, if you know how to trade, strategy doesn't need indicators, not even volume, because that's all manipulated. Of course, if you want to trade with order flow, that's a different thing. It's not an indicator. That's another way of seeing price. There are people that get profits from that. I don't like it simply because I'm not that much of a short-term trader, and I like to keep stuff simple in trading. I think that's really some key to become profitable. Not even you can have really complicated strategy if you're an advanced trader, but if you're just starting out, keep it simple. Yeah, that's what I think. By the way, if you guys trade really short term and you're counter trend, you could have entered at this, taking this low at the open and then going up. So you could ride this trade. But my strategy doesn't say that. My strategy just want to take a bit longer term trades. So we're looking to short right now. Let's see. Okay, creates a bit of equal highs up there. There is kind of liquidity. Let's see. I guess we're going to take that out. Yeah, absolutely. I think this is going to be taken out pretty easy. Like, look at this. It's kind of obvious that eventually it'll be taken out. Yeah, really equal highs, bro. You are eventually going to be taken out, I think. And then there's this low to look at. Yeah, pretty tight of a range compared to what you would like to see. Hmm. Let's see what happens. I think we're going to touch back on there. That's what I would want to see. I would want to see price doing this. Right, it's not showing you. I would like to see price boom, going like that, boom, boom, and then going down. That's what I would want to see. So I'm trying to short at this point. But we need to get higher before shorting. No, no, I don't like this setup at all. We don't even have for value guys. In fact, as you can see, it was just a fake out as this one. You could long right here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't see this being the high of the day at all. I don't see this being the high of the day. I think it will be higher, absolutely. Let's see. It doesn't look like wanting to get any higher than this. I don't think so. Let's see what the market tells us. Because, anything you think is just your thought. Then the market has to tell you what is right and what is wrong. It's always like that. Like, it can't be any other way. Okay, so you see your trace. Let's see right now. It looks like going down. I'm going to take a tissue, and so I'll turn off the audio for a second, then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So, video is now at 20 plus minutes. So, you guys that are watching this fully 1% speed, like, bro, you're strong as hell, man. If you can watch this, because it's kind of boring for everyone else. But if you are a trader and you know what you're doing, then it might be kind of interesting to you to see how other people trade, even if it's loss. Like, even if I took a loss, I'm still sharing this with all of you because I want to show you that, like, trading as losses, you can't trade without losing. Like, losing is part of trading, is the main part of trading for most people. For us, not the main part. For us, it's not the main part, but it's still a part of trading. You cannot trade without losing. Alright, looks like it starts to go down. So let's see, anyways, the other thing we can see broken is this one right here. If it actually goes that strong, but I don't think so. Created a huge wick. Yeah, let's see. That's pretty strong, guys. I think at 951. Stronger than the bullish ones. Just look at this no wick candle. Now it looks like going down, but doesn't have any value gaps. Yeah, I personally would like to see price coming all the way down here. Let's see what can happen. I know the audio of my videos is always really low. I don't know what to say, guys. Now I'm exporting the videos on another software, and like I'm putting the audio at 400% the normal, so it should be 4 times higher. I hope you enjoy this because yeah, it's the only thing I can do. I mean, I'm never home alone, kind of never, sometimes, but not today. So I guess I can't just talk that loudly, especially because like I'm not English. I'm talking in English, but as you might have guessed, because I don't talk really well. But I'm not an American or an English person. I am from Italy. Absolutely, I live in Italy. And my parents are both Italian. Everybody in my family is Italian. So yeah, you might have noticed this from the voice. I don't know if you did. I don't care, honestly. Anyways, not liking the thing anymore. It's being pretty messy. 5 minutes. That's what it looks. Looks like it could be high, but this looks like it could be a high too. Don't think it will be. Honestly, don't know. Let's see. It's going up, so what do you think does some traders, such as me, but if it the wrong way. Let's see. Alright, testing back the morning high. From here it could go down, I think. You could trade on this without gap. Like you could trade at the test of this one. Personally, I don't like that, but you could. I mean, if you're such a trader, you can do that. I don't like to do that. There are people that do. Okay, so as you can see, you could have just taken a shot right here. See,